Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abattoir. 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 An abattoir is a place where animals are slaughtered and processed for their meat. It's often synonymous with a slaughterhouse or meatpacking plant. Examples: 1. The cattle are taken to the abattoir for processing after being raised on the farm. In this sentence, abattoir refers to the facility where cattle are slaughtered and prepared for meat products. 2. The abattoir has strict hygiene and safety regulations to ensure the quality of meat. Here, abattoir highlights the importance of cleanliness and safety standards in a facility responsible for meat production. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.